This is day 2 of Embedded World 2019, and would like to introduce you to Alex Watson, who's our Business Development Manager for Sensors. Alex, can you show us what you've got on our intelligent sensing pod, please?
Yeah, absolutely. So here we're demonstrating sensor demos from IDT, one of our key partners in sensor development. Walking around the board, we have inductive position sensing used in industrial applications as an alternative to magnetic position sensing, finding a lot of traction in the market at the moment. We have Eurosoft Limited, one of our third-party customers that have developed using the flow sensors output through an data aggregator, cloud-hosted visualization of our sensor data there. And we have the ZMod 4410, which is a VOC sensor that we picked up from IDT, visualizing the air quality data in the hall here today.
So that'll make sure that we're all keeping nice and fresh.
Well, that's the aim, yes.
So moving on, what have we got down here?
Okay, so here we have Bosch Sensor Tech, who's a world leader in MEMS technology, and they have the ultra-low power BMA 400, which is used as an accelerometer and wake up for the virtual reality based platform here. And we're visualizing motion data from the BHI 260 smart sensor hub, which is integrating sensor fusion internally as well as 6-axis gyroscope and accelerometer. So visualizing image data, highly stable for virtual reality and augmented reality applications.
Okay, and here we've got a nice red light.
Yes, indeed. Everyone likes a red light. That's why we're into engineering. So here we're showing Melexis tri-axis technology. So this is three-dimensional magnetic sensing, push-button function, and absolute position sensing there. So you can remember the position of the magnet and track it round in high resolution for rotary position.
And what would people use that for?
So that would be used in motor control, position sensing for rotary knobs, such as in white goods applications, any HMI, and potentially for three-dimensional joystick applications, single sensor instead of multi-sensor. Thank
you. And then moving on, what's the next one we've got here?
So this is another iteration of the same sensor family, but we have a pre-programmed board by Melexis where we can utilize a number of different sensors on the back end, and it'll provide rotary position sensing on the inverse on this screen, and we have a number of different sensor coupons that can be placed on there for multiple applications. So coming around here, shall we go for the thermal sensing?
Let's.
So might need to use you guys as a bit of an example on this one. So as you can see here in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, this sensor is using a pixel array of 32 by 24 far infrared sensitive temperature sensors. And what they do here, stitch that together using an Esty micro MCU and output it to the screen. And we use the relative color scale to basically give the outline of people.
And where would that typically be used?
So we can visualize this in applications such as security, lighting control, and contactless temperature sensing for HVAC applications and refrigeration.
So let's continue, as we still have quite a lot of demos on your pod. What have we got next?
Okay, so moving around, we're going to go to Esty, after Bosch, another leading MEMS manufacturer. Heavy investment these days in industrial MEMS sensing. So this is long lifetime parts. What we're showcasing here is the new I/O Master Board plus I/O Link predictive maintenance kit. That's a sensor board with ultrasonic MEMS microphone, pressure, temperature and humidity, and an accelerometer on it for vibration analytics. Now you'll find this in use cases such as vibration and predictive maintenance in high-value equipment, such as on the factory floor, monitoring bearing conditions for any motor control in general, so also in transportation, and you could find ultrasonic for leak detection.
Okay, thank you. So let's move around the corner.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, so coming back to ST for this one, this is the ex-Nucleo development platform with the MEMS shield. This is the newer MEMS shield, the A02. And what we're doing here is visualizing the data on the GUI, so you can see that there mapping the accelerometer, gyroscope and magnetometer data. And the reason I wanted to show this is because ST have front runner in terms of firmware development and software support for their customers. So they make MEMS development with sensors that can be relatively complex a lot easier than it would not otherwise be. So using this, you can program firmware directly to the board from a number of examples, and you can use this with their Algo Builder software as well. They work synonymously to visually create algorithms for sensors.
And finally, Alex, what's this demo?
So here we have an application-specific demo from AMS again, but it's integrating one of their spectral lighting managers. So this is a smart lighting manager, interface for a network bridge, so choosing a communications protocol of your choice. We have BLE here to my mobile, and what we're able to do is active dimming, as you can see here, and we can do color tuning. And this can be used in a range of applications, from daylight harvesting to CCT tuning for improved health in a workspace environment, but also used by having the sensor inside the luminaire to look at the health of the light over a course of age. As we look at the CCT, it will change if strings of LEDs are unable to match the desired conditions. That normally means you need to repair them.
Thank you very much.